Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the touchpad not working on your laptop. If you are experiencing this issue, I have a quick solution for you. Follow these steps and use an external mouse to navigate. First, press the F function key and F7 button simultaneously to ensure that your touchpad is enabled. Now check your touchpad, but if it's still not working, follow the next step. Right now, I am using an external mouse. Right click on Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, find Bluetooth and devices on the left side. Now scroll down and here you see Touch option. Click on it. Ensure it is enabled. And then close the window. Again check your touchpad, but if it's still not working, follow the next step. Open the Start or Search menu. Type main.cpl and press Enter. Ensure you see the pointer options over here. Now close this window and again right click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Expand this window and here you will find an option of mice and other pointing devices. Expand this from here. Now click on the first option and click Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Make sure you are connected to internet. A pop-up will appear confirming if your driver is up to date. Now close from here and click on the second option. Click Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this window. Again right click on the Start menu. Now go to Settings. On the left side, select System. Now scroll down. Click on Troubleshoot. Then Other Troubleshooters. Find the keyboard option. Click on Run. And let it troubleshoot to fix the problem. Now close this window. Now restart your PC. After restart, remove your external mouse. And now check your touchpad. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.